Hey, you're with Chris at Car Cave in Aiken, South Carolina. Got a special truck here. As usual, has a story like they all do. It's lived some life, you know. It's built in 1977. Start off with, it's carcaveusa.com. Phone number is 803-262-4742. If you're looking at trying to get financing, we can help you with that. We work with a few different lenders. Give us a ring, shoot us a message. Yeah, reach out. We'll answer the phone. We'll talk to you. Shoot an email, IM, DM, whatever you want. We're on social media, about every platform. You're watching on YouTube right now. So this truck, we have the Marti report over there. Factory built, 351 V8, 4-speed, Dana 60 rear end, crew cab, 4-wheel drive, 4-speed manual. It's right over here. I got laid out with some of the work that we did to it. My assumption is it was a Forest Service tree truck. If you know anything about those, you will recognize the color back here. So the green, and it said something about a special order color delivered to Utah. Good friend of ours, Kent, he bought it off his neighbor's horse ranch, who'd had it for a while up in the Steamboat area. So it radiated around Utah, Wyoming, Colorado. He had it in his airplane hangar. He brought it down to Charleston. I think we recorded the radiator. We did a couple things a few years ago, and now it is here because it's up for sale. So it is ours for the taking, for you to buy. Call us, ask questions. Went through it mechanically. We did a pre-laundry list of items to it. Tune up, a carb rebuild. You can hear we have it running smooth. It's cold right now. I'll go grab the pipe. Super cold. I'll go grab beer. Fingers on the exhaust manifold. So cold start proven. My hand's not burned. Put fuel filters in it. Gave it an oil change. Flushed the transmission. So did the carb rebuild. We did some brake work in the back. Did an axle seal. Wheel cylinder. Parking brake adjustment. We rewired the cab lights. Reach out and we'll show you the list of everything that we did. We'll start shutting things down so you can see it all. I'll go through the rockers first. Door bottoms here. We didn't do the paint work. It's a couple owners ago when the paint work was done. It is Linexed. And in the pictures you might have seen in the corner here, something dirty. I just scrubbed it. You can see how it's still wet. Something sat in the back of it while I was out in the rain. It wasn't stained, it was just dirt. I scrubbed right there. You can see it shows up on camera. But the Linex works good. It's clean. They put their sticker in here. You know, the panels are straight. There's some imperfections. It's an old truck. It's not perfect, but it's also, if you know these trucks, you're shopping for them. The perfect ones are fetching large amounts of money. We try to dial it right in the middle. I've been watching them. There's one that kept running on eBay recently. It was bidding in the mid-30s and it was rusty. I need a lot of love and rust repair. This one's drivable. Tag there. It's drivable. You can go down the road in it. We went through, did maintenance. Solid truck. Worn manual front hubs, a 285 7516 Hercules TerraTrack tire. Like I said, we put new cab lights. We put new gaskets on it. We'll go around the engine bay here. Take a look at the grill underneath. We have a white floor. It's been parked here for 6 hours now. There's no fluid on the ground. Almost need 2 hands for that. There's no big chips in the windshield. I'm sure there's some small pits. I might have caught one. No, that just looks like a little bit of dirt, but no cracks in the windshield. Windshield gasket seal. Looks really nice. Somebody's put windshield in it recently. It's pretty malleable. Got some dents up on the roof, which you can see there. Go in, you can see the worn hubs. And you can see some orange peel in the paint. Like I said, it's not perfect. It's old old farm truck that has survived over the years. Was in the Utah dry climate, the Colorado dry climate, stayed in an airplane hangar when our friend had it. Black carpet, black door cards. Take this off for you, so we're not covering anything there. Dash looks really good. They've kept the little carpet pad up there, which will get back out of the way. We've never had the carpet out of it while it was in our possession, so I can't tell you what's underneath it. I haven't seen the top side. I've been under the truck. It shifts good. I drove to the bank the other day. Rides good. The 8-track was working 3 years ago. Remember, it showed up with a Waylon Jennings 8-track. One of our guys called him Waylon. Never heard of him. He was from Connecticut. Sorry, I didn't get that dash mat all the way back down. It's gonna bother me. And if you want us to get it up on the rack, we can get on a lift, we can get undercarriage for you. It has a chrome bumper on it. You can put a ball, but I recommend a tow hitch, an actual receiver if you're going to be doing any towing. Frame is sound. You can see underneath here. Same with under the bed. You're going to have surface rust. It's an old truck. You got Dana 60. You have the 8-lug wheels, 8-hole 8-lug. Like I said, we'll get on the rack if you want more than just the level you're seeing it from here. You got a little dent here, imperfection in the corner. See one on the bed rail. Like I said, it's an old truck. It is not a concourse at any means. We got it where it is running good, driving good. Tracks down the road, we did an alignment, did tie rods, did an adjuster, took it over for the alignment. All your lights working, blinkers, brights. I know we did a bright switch, one of the switches inside. So yeah, that is the old Ford. We have another old Ford in back too. So if you guys like those, got a 97 OBS. We do a lot of diesels. We do a lot of Land Rovers, Toyota Land Cruisers. We have a Cherokee Chief, old W460 G-Wagon, a drop 2-door Tahoe. Here's some diesel Land Cruisers. That's HDJ 73 over there. Let's see, let me wander back in the shop. 2002 Ti we're building a motor on, Renault 5 GT Turbo. Really cool, old OBS. It's after closing time here. Crew cab short bed too. 72,000 original miles. Doing some service work for our buddy here. Another one of our Land Rovers. Jaguar FJ62. They're making a mess with the Escort here. More Land Rovers we're working on. It goes down the line. So we have a full shop here. Got air-cooled Porsche over there, V12 Benz. So we have a full shop. We enjoy cars. We're into unique things, ones that are different. As you can see by the inventory here, we got a little hidden Fiat Jolly in the corner, a little Z3M. About 16,000 square feet of climate controlled space, 6 acres here. So if you're interested in the truck, reach out, 803-262-4742, carcaveusa.com. Go underneath here. See, new hose. I don't see any leaks coming off the oil pan, but I need to get further under there. Exhaust going back. But yeah, this is a one to have. If you have any questions, like I said, reach out to us. We're here to answer questions. Don't think the truck will last long. We've had it out front, just parked while we're waiting on doing the maintenance, and got a ton of calls. So give us a ring, 803-262-4742.